New Year's resolutions, do they work for you? Do you know what? I really feel that for so many of us, New Year's resolutions are just a recipe for failure. We bring about something that, an intention that we want, and we've got no foundations for it, and we expect ourselves to change in one day, right? So by the 2nd of January, you already feel like a failure. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently this year, and I hope you do the same. So I'm going to run you now through the 3 things that I'll be doing this year that will really make a difference as to how you are feeling as you move into the new year and as you get to this time next year, right? Okay, so the first thing, what do you appreciate and what are you grateful for this year? What happened? What changes? What growth? What is it for you? What goals did you reach? What goals did you not reach? Did the universe have another path for you? What is it that you can truly be grateful for about this year that we've just had? Find the blessings in everything because they're there. So that's the first thing. Write a list. What are you grateful for? Truly grateful. And what have you appreciated about this last year? Secondly, how do you want to feel next year? At this time, in 2019, what will your gratitude list be? Right? A gratitude list is how you're feeling. What are you grateful for truly in here? So how do you want to feel in 2019? Successful, supported, more financial, more happy, more peaceful. What is it for you? More grounded, more connected? What is it for you that you want to feel in 2019? And then what I want you to do, number 3, is what goals do you have for next year? And really write those goals down and make sure that they are in alignment with how you want to feel, right? And those goals can then be expanded either now or during the year. They can be expanded into what action you need to take to bring those goals to fruition, right? But the important thing is the feeling behind those things. And really, this is setting you up for success. This is setting you up to actually feel like you've achieved stuff, right, at the end of next year. So don't set yourself up for failure this year by making wild promises to yourself or other people that you feel will happen on the 1st of January, right, when that won't. And really be honest with yourself. If you've got some big goals, like you want to give up bad habits like smoking or drinking or eating, anything of those bad habits that we usually associate with New Year's resolutions, the feeling behind that is I want to feel vibrant and healthy. So that's the feeling. That's also the goal. I want to feel vibrant and energetic and healthy. So what are the action steps and the action plans to that goal? Well, it means changing habits. So this is kind of a working back, right? From, on the 1st of January, I'm just not going to smoke again. Right? And the 2nd of January, sometimes the 4th, you're straight in there, right? Feeling like a failure, and so it goes on. So set yourself up for success this year. What have you really appreciated from this year? How do you want to feel next year, all year, and at this time next year? What will you be grateful for? And what are your goals, your bigger goals? And then break that down into smaller action steps that you can do over the year. Okay, my 3 steps to not feeling like a failure in New Year's. Let me know how you go. Bye.